Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Mastering productivity, create a custom system that works. Lecture 1. In this lecture, we will learn about Introduction to Productivity Systems, Shui Productivity Matters, Productivity Challenges and Pitfalls. Introduction to Productivity Systems and Frameworks. Setting productivity goals, defining personal productivity consensus. Why productivity matters. Productivity is the key to success. Both personally and professionally, by being productive, we can accomplish more in less time, which allows us to achieve our goals and make progress towards our dreams, whether it's completing a project at work or pursuing a passion project in our free time. Productivity is essential for getting things done. Furthermore, productivity is closely linked to our sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. When we are productive, we feel a sense of accomplishment and pride in our work. This, in turn, boosts our confidence and motivates us to continue striving towards our goals. On the other hand, when we are unproductive, we may feel frustrated, overwhelmed, and even guilty for not making progress. Productivity challenges and pitfalls. One of the biggest productivity challenges that people face is procrastination. It's easy to get distracted by social media, emails, or other tasks that seem more appealing than the work at hand. However, procrastination can lead to missed deadlines, increased stress, and lower quality work. To overcome this challenge, try breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks and setting specific deadlines for each one. This can help you stay focused and motivated. Another common productivity pitfall is multitasking. While it may seem like you're getting more done by working on multiple tasks at once, research has shown that multitasking actually leads to decreased productivity and increased stress levels. Instead, try focusing on one task at a time and giving it your full attention. You'll likely find that you're able to complete tasks more efficiently and with better results. Introduction to Productivity Systems and Frameworks. Productivity systems and frameworks are designed to help individuals and teams work more efficiently and effectively. Three popular systems are Pomodoro, GTD, and Agile. The Pomodoro technique involves breaking work into 25-minute intervals, followed by a short break. This helps maintain focus and prevent burnout. GTD, or Getting Things Done, is a system for organizing tasks and projects to increase productivity. Agile is a project management framework that emphasizes flexibility and collaboration. Setting productivity goals. Setting productivity goals is crucial for achieving success in both personal and professional life. However, it's not enough to simply set goals. They must be SMART goals: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. To set effective productivity goals, start by identifying what you want to achieve and breaking it down into smaller, actionable steps. Make sure each step is specific and measurable so you can track your progress and stay motivated. It's also important to make sure your goals are realistic and relevant to your overall objectives. Finally, set deadlines for each step to keep yourself accountable and on track. Defining personal productivity. Personal productivity is not about being busy all the time, but about making the most of your time and achieving your goals efficiently. It involves understanding your priorities, managing your time effectively, and focusing on high-value tasks that align with your goals. Conclusion. In conclusion, productivity is crucial for personal and professional success. By identifying common challenges and pitfalls, introducing popular productivity systems and frameworks, setting SMART goals, and defining personal productivity, we can improve our productivity and achieve our desired outcomes. Remember to take action towards improving your productivity today. Start with small changes and build momentum over time with dedication and persistence. You can unlock your full potential and reach your goals.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.